Understanding Acrylic Paints, a beginner's guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the world of acrylic paints. This is a fascinating topic, especially if you're interested in art or just want to expand your vocabulary in English. Let's dive in and understand what acrylic paints really are. Acrylic paints are a type of paint made with pigments suspended in a synthetic water-soluble polymer. They are known for their versatility, vibrant colors, and quick drying time. Unlike oil paints, which can take days to dry, acrylics dry within hours or even minutes. This makes them a popular choice for artists who wish to work quickly or in multiple layers. The development of acrylic paints began in the early 20th century, but they became commercially available only in the 1950s. Since then, they have become increasingly popular among artists. One of the key reasons for their popularity is their flexibility. Acrylics can be used in thick, impasto applications or thinned with water to create a wash effect, similar to watercolors. To use acrylic paints, you'll need some basic supplies like brushes, a canvas or paper, and of course, the paints themselves. When you start painting, remember that acrylics dry quickly, so it's important to work at a steady pace. You can mix them with water or acrylic mediums to change their consistency or drying time. Experimenting with different techniques can lead to unique and beautiful results. If you're new to acrylic painting, here are a few tips. 1. Start with basic colors. You don't need a huge palette to begin. Basic colors like red, blue, yellow, black, and white are enough to start. 2. Practice mixing colors. This will help you understand color theory and how to get the shades you want. 3. Experiment with different brushes. Each brush can create a different effect on your canvas. We hope this video has given you a good introduction to acrylic paints and inspired you to try them out. Remember, practice is key in learning any new skill, and the same goes for painting with acrylics. Have fun experimenting, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're all part of the learning process. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.